Now let us go and install the pgAdmin over here, which is the GUI tool for our PostgreSQL database over here. And you can just go and search the pgAdmin, and the first link that will show you is the pgAdmin, and just click on this one, and we need to download it. So let's just go to the download section from here, and we'll go and select based on your OS over here. So I have the Mac OS over here. I'm going to download for the Mac OS, and if you are on the Windows, you need to go and install it for the Windows over here. And now once I have that particular downloaded file, I can just go and install it. And once the installation is done, you can just open up your pgAdmin over here. This is the UI or the GUI tool for our Postgres database. And make sure your database is running, or we have set up the Docker container for our PostgreSQL database, so make sure it's running over there. Let me open up the Docker over here. So let's open the Docker container, and you should see that it's running over here, and the port is of the 5437. So let's go back over here, and let's open up our pgAdmin 4, and let's add the new server over here. And the name, let's just go and give the name that we have defined over here, which is of the user management DB over here, or you can just give any name that you prefer over here. Let's just go and add the name for this one, and then let's go down over here in the connection, and let's add the name the host as the local host over here, and the port that we have defined for this one is, let's just go back, 5437. So let's add the 5437 as the connection port, and then the username, I guess, is the Richard over here, and then the password, I guess, is let me just go and grab the password from my project over here. Let's go and open up, and let's copy the password over here, and let's add it over here, and let's save that particular password over here. And I guess that should be fine, and let's just go and save this one over here. And now we have that particular the user management DB over here. Let's just go and open up. Let's just go to the database over here, and this is the database that we have previously set up. Let's open up that one, and now we can go to the schemas over here, and in the public schemas we should have the tables over here. Let's go to the tables. Now you can see that we have the one table, two table actually. One is the Alembic version table that stores all of the version information of basically the migration detail, and the another one is the countries that we have defined. And let's just go and open up, just right click over here, and you can just go and make use of the script over here, or you can just go and make use of the view and edit or edit the data. I'll just go and select the all rows from here, and it will give you this is the version now for that one, right? So this is the version for our Alembic, and if I go and select, right click, and I can just go and all rows, let's just go and select all rows, and now you can see that currently doesn't have any of the data, I guess. Let's try to go and run it from here. So it doesn't have any of the data for now. I guess we haven't added any of those. You can also directly go and add the new row from here, and you can just go and save the changes using this particular column if you want to manually go and add it, but we will see how we can add it from the API, right? So I hope you got the idea how we can add the GUI tool for the Postgres database. Obviously there are other tools as well that you can use, but for the pgAdmin, I guess that's the best that I have used so far without any limitation. That's best for the Postgres database. If you are using a different database, then make sure to find the correct one, or the correct UI or the GUI for your database. So I guess that's all for this particular lesson.